So you push it down. Wow, that was cool. That's a big old cookie. That chainsaw is incredible, but you better be ready for it. That's a lot of power. I was impressed at how quickly it was slicing through that log. Like butter. That was really cool. Yeah, that's oak. I mean, that's hard wood right there. There you go. Somebody's new table. Check this out. You can see all the different spalding and everything. It's got a like a crack going through it with some bark in it. There's clearly 2 piths to it. I mean, that's going to make a really nice coffee table. All right, so we're going to get this set back up and prepped. Try to regroup, and we're going to try to make at least 3 more cookies out of this. How thick do you think this is? I mean, that's like... Really thick. Really thick. It's probably 5 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches. I mean, that's thicker than it needs to be. Yeah. The next one will be. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't realize I went the whole way down that far. Yeah. I was having too much fun. Was it easier to run? It's easy to run. You just got to hold on. When it first took off, I mean, it like grabbed me. So, yeah, I mean, that's strong as hell. It looks like it's going through it really easy. Yeah. Yeah, I got to towards the end. I think the tray did help. It started pinching or something down there. But I didn't have it level enough, too, so... Pretty good. Yeah, except I still gotta touch the ground there. But when I say I, you are gonna cut one, right? Yeah. Scary. Oh, let's try to get it higher. It's amazing how smooth that is with the blade, the right blade length, when you don't have to cut it from both sides. Oh yeah. You want me to cut another one to show you how to do it? You're just here. I'll do it. Oh, okay. Okay, good. We're not going to do another. You started up top? No, you started down. I started down there. So what do we want? 3 inches? Yeah, that's good. went this way, they started back that way. I wonder why it's like... Because you gotta get it up in the air and get it going. Man, that crack is cool as hell. Oh. Yeah. Oh. That's gonna be cool. Yeah, that's actually really cool. Especially you got the two piths. And... Is this some bark on the inside? Yeah, that's basically where the two trees were growing. And they basically merged into one. Merged. Wow, that's cool. There's not, you need no wedges. It's all about the saw. I really screwed up that one. You did? About 3 inches and 4.5. It looks straight up, man. Man, that's an amazing machine. That thing will rip you off your feet. You know? Woo-wee, that's cool as hell. Incredible. Perfect. On this side of the log, you can see where the trees split right here into two. But on this side, you can see how it's just one big log. The two trees right here, they merged. You can see the bark from the two trees. That saw is kicking. Good. Yeah, just be careful. Back out and just use the tip. All right, just the tip. That's the same. Alan, Ray, that's for you. It's really soft now. some really cool cookies out of that log. As you can see, the design is incredible with the 2 pits and the spalding throughout. I'm super excited to make these into some tables, and we're going to load them up into the Nell kiln and get them dried. And I'll tell you what, that Stihl 881 is incredible. It is not for the weak, though, so make sure you eat your Wheaties. That 60-inch bar, it's a backbreaker. I'm looking forward to getting the 42-inch that it comes with and get that working around here, but we've had to get a bar this size to be able to manage some of the logs we have, but I couldn't be happier. Stihl is amazing. Alright guys, that's going to do it for our video today. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for future videos. We'll see you next time. How are we going to cut this into cookies? I don't know, but I sure love cookies. Push it back. Smells like poop.
So what we'll do is put the chain on backwards, and that way it'll look like we're complete idiots, and people will tell us what idiots we are. People think we have these accidents or these mess-ups all the time, but it's really all well planned out.
Let me try to start it. So I release the pressure there. Oh. Yeah, this video's brought to you, okay.
Enunciation like cheesy, really funny.
But it's not.
And push it in. All right.
Does your breath smell like crap? Fresh it up. What's the Mentos?
No, let's get back to it.
No, let's get back to work. Okay, we're gonna interrupt this video. Wait, okay. Mentos. Did your breath smell like crap? Wait, okay. Smell like crap, just makes you laugh.
Does your breath smell like trays? Does your breath smell like crap? Like my cameraman?
That would be good. Okay. I'm just trying to laugh out. Did your breath smell like crap like my kid? That would be good. Yeah, if you can get that out, that's pretty good. Did your breath smell like crap like my cameraman does? Fresh it up with some Mentos. Now back to work.
Okay.
Looks like 2 eyeballs.
All right, let's finish this. So,
Looks like vaginas. That's actually beautiful.
Vaginas.
Vaginas.